Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to make your friends list private on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Making your friends list private on Facebook is a simple process that can help protect your privacy and control who can see your connections. A private friends list can prevent strangers or acquaintances from seeing your social circle and potentially gathering information about you or your friends. Sometimes, scammers target friends lists to gain access to personal information. A private list makes it harder for them to target you and your friends. When you make your friends list private on Facebook, only you can see your list of friends. Your friends and non-friends will see only the number of friends you have, not their names or identities. If your friends share posts publicly, the visibility of those posts won't change. However, if they share posts with friends or friends of friends privacy settings, those posts will only be visible to people on your friends list, not to non-friends. Once you make your friends list private, you'll have more control over who sees your connections and personal information, potentially enhancing your sense of privacy and security. To hide your friend list on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, you can find this menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Here you will see various Facebook settings. Just scroll down until you see the Audience and Visibility section. From here, tap on How people can find and contact you. This screen shows you various settings on how people can find and contact you. Just find out who can see your friends list. Now, tap the drop-down menu next to Who can see your friends list? This might be represented by a small arrow pointing downwards. Carefully review and select the desired audience from the presented choices. Here you will see various options. If you choose Public, everyone on Facebook can see your friends list. If you choose Friends, only your confirmed Facebook friends can see your friends list. If you choose Friends Except, this allows you to choose specific friends who will be excluded from seeing your friends list. If you choose Only Me, only you will be able to see your friends list, making it completely private. I request you to select Only Me to make your friends list private on Facebook. Once you select, confirm the changes by pressing the back button on mobile. Now, your friend list visibility should be adjusted according to your chosen preference. Remember, these changes take effect immediately. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box.